Introducing the iSmartAlarm Keypad. Conveniently arm your iSmartAlarm smart home security system and cameras when you're on your way out. And disarm everything when you return home.
Home mode activated.
Have guests over? Set up a unique entry code just for them. And set it to expire after their stay. And of course, the iSmartAlarm Keypad is battery operated and easy to set up without the hassles of wires or installation. With the iSmartAlarm Keypad, enjoy the convenience of arming and disarming your iSmartAlarm smart home security system without your phone, knowing your system status at a glance from the motion-activated backlit keys, the ability to create unique entry codes for guests, and the easy-to-set-up wire-free installation. The Keypad is part of the iSmartAlarm smart home security system. iSmartAlarm, keep what matters to you safe.